Glamorous Mimi, and this is my channel, also known as Taneshia. Glamorous Mimi means I love fashion, I love glitter, I'm elegant, I'm classy, I love nice things, and I love fashion. Of course, I'm a fashionista. It just haven't happened, but I'm a fashionista. I'm classy. Did I say that? I'm stylish. Did I say that? Yes. I'm all of the above. Beauty comes in with I love shimmer, I love color, I love all the things in color and hair, and I love, like, I have a passion for beauty, and I love to style hair, and I love makeup. Of course, you already know, but I just like nice things for myself, and that's in the beauty field because I did go to school. And I graduated from beauty school, and I am a cosmetologist. I have my license, and I'm successful in what I'm doing. Hair, my hair is my passion. I love hair. I love to style hair. I like to be creative with my hair, and weave also. I like to try new things with doing hair, and I love hair so much because you can be so creative with it, because it's like you try new things and different stuff that nobody else would do or try. So I have to outshine and outstand. Makeup. I love makeup all the time. I love makeup. It's like whenever I go in the store, I have to try this makeup palette. I have to get this makeup palette. Makeup is my passion too. As far as I know, it's so many colors, so many matte colors, so many shimmer colors, so many pigment colors. And it's like you can never live without makeup. Like, you can dive in, you can see, as you can see, I love makeup tutorials. I love like doing makeup tutorials and looks. It's so fun. It's so creative. You can look all the matte pigment, glitter, shimmer, that glowing highlighter. It's so creative. It's so many things you can do with a makeup palette and just makeup itself. It's like I love doing tutorials. Like, you cannot live without makeup. If you can live out without makeup, I'd be dying to get my hands on makeup even more and that's why I like to build up my collection and just have these things on hand and just to try it on other people and my clients as well. D.I.Y. The first D.I.Y. I did is my body lava that I made, like, to recreate the Rihanna body lava. But I love D.I.Y. It's so manageable and it's easy, so creative. Again, you can find stuff around home to create the new or improve it itself. Like, a brand is out and you can recreate it. It's so fun. It's like, I love doing DIYs. I don't do often on my YouTube channel, but I'm trying to get myself into that. Let's see, my lifestyle is how I'm living, how I'm doing, what I'm doing, and how things are with being friends and friends with benefits or relationship wise, which I haven't talked about, so maybe it will come up some soon, so don't wish on it too soon. So, and another thing on lifestyle, I like to give my opinion on stuff and I like advertising things that I like, or like my LA colors and my review on the hair. And I even advertise myself because I'm a small YouTuber, and I love doing this stuff. Like, I really love doing hair, makeup tutorials. Like, that's all in the field of beauty. Like, I love doing stuff in the beauty field, in the beauty world, period. Like, it's so easy. And much more. When I say much more, I mean fashion. Gonna roll up shoes, earrings, clothes, whatever. I'm trying to get myself into doing fashion vlogs or fashion haul and stuff like that. I do makeup haul, but I'm just trying to get myself in fashion, and I love fashion. I love heels. I love stylish earrings. I love a lot of stuff, and I just haven't had the time to do it because there's always something comes up, but hopefully it'll happen soon. So hit that subscribe button to see more me and my videos. Deuces.